One submission. The petitioner is made to work because the respondent has quit his job. No amount is coming from his end for the last 2 years that they have been separated.
Your Honor, they're asking for 1 lakh monthly
Not 1 lakh,
maintenance.
not 1
No,
lakh.
no, it is not.
Some amount.
From 1 year, I have not been working, Your Honor. It's taking me some time to find a new job as my line of work is a little competitive. It's being a little difficult to get into job. Because of all of this happened, it was a big blow to me. I stopped working.
The court below, by this order, had permitted the father to have the interim custody of the minor son for celebrating his birthday.
In the family court, if they order some overnight or morning to evening, they will again come to high court asking for a stay or something. Please grant me yourself. Please grant me visitation.
It's like bypassing the child. My lord, even the mother has to spend time. She also gets only these weekends.
Your Honor, I'm okay on the weekdays also. Once a week, weekdays is also fine. Anyway, morning to evening she works.
On
During
Sunday-
that time, I will take care.
Sunday in the
Matter was passed over to seek instructions,
Yes.
my lord.
Saturday or Sunday.
My lord,
Saturday or Sunday.
my lord, right
For
now,
attempted purpose.
I'll make just this one submission. The petitioner is made to work because the respondent has quit his job. No amount is coming from his end for the last 2 years that they have been separated. And she was made to work because she has to maintain the child. Both the applications are pending before the court.
Yes.
Even she gets only Saturday, Sunday
Yes,
with the
yes.
child. It can't be
Madam,
on all 4 Saturdays.
Your
with
Honor,
the child.
I'm willing to pay this minute whatever is needed for the child.
Like that,
I'm already proactively paying. If they need more, I will do.
there is no statement, even in the statement of accounts furnished in the
No.
assets.
There is no order as such, but I'm still paying.
Your
No, no,
case,
that's a false submission.
your IA for interim, your visitation rights is pending. Their IA, for maintenance is pending. Now court passing an order that pending your application for visitation rights, you have a right to visit the child on so and so date. That's what is the court passing. Now you tell a figure that you will pay, that pending consideration of that, you will be paying this to the.
Your Honor, they're asking for 1 lakh monthly
Not 1 lakh,
maintenance.
not 1
No,
lakh.
no, it is not.
Some amount which you are ready, that you tell, we will, you pay till the application is decided by every 5th of every month.
Sure, Your Honor. 5,000 I've been paying. He's not yet going to school. I'll continue paying that. And sorry, madam.
10.
Earning
1,000.
1,60,000 as the salary that
Any
he is
of
getting.
now, as an interim measure, I'll ask them to pay 10,000.
From 1 year, I've not been working, Your Honor.
Right.
It's taking me some time to find a new job
The,
as my line of work is a little competitive. It's being a little difficult to get into job. Because of all of this happened, it was a big blow to me. I stopped working. But now 6 months I've been trying to get into a job.
One submission. All the material that is placed on record in so far as IA number 7 and 8, let them be independently considered because there's
nothing, court
videograph.
is not directing
Please.
anything
Please.
to the law.
Next date is
Court
on
only,
1st.
court is only asking the court below to dispose it of independently.
Great.
So till, because it's taking time, it's pending here till such time, nothing, there cannot be any bearing on the court below
I'm great.
of any of the order that is passed.
I'm grateful.
It is only a interregnum arrangement.
I'm very grateful.
The agreed with the orders passed in GNWC in IA number 12 and 13 in
Only,
GNWC.
it is only in 13 in so far as
12 you are not agreed.
not agreed.
Agreed with orders passed in IA number 13 in GNWC number 148 of 2023, dated 1st June 2024. The mother is before this court. The court below, by this order, had permitted the father to have the interim custody of the minor son for celebrating his birthday. Then he is permitted to have the interim custody of his minor son from the evening of 12/6/2024 till the evening of 13/6/2024. Agreed thereby, the mother is before this court. This court, as an interim measure, by order dated 6/6/2024, pending consideration of the writ petition, the order is modified to the effect that the father can exercise the visitation rights in the visitation room of the family court between 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Now both the counsel for the counsel for the petitioner submits that the writ petition has become infructuous as the limited relief that is granted by the court is on the day of the father's birthday, as that is over. And the IA filed by the wife's, IA number,
I number 13 filed by the, I number 7 and 8, 7 is filed by them, 8 is filed by me.
IA number 7 filed by the
Yes,
father
ma'am.
seeking visitation rights is pending consideration before the court below. And IA number 8 filed by wife seeking maintenance is also pending before the court. As such, these, the
Your Honor, if even if in the family court, if they order some overnight or morning to evening, they will again come to High Court asking for a stay or something. Please grant me yourself. Please grant me visitation.
It's like bypassing the trial court.
not how that works. That's not.
I had got an overnight,
done
but they
like that.
came here.
Huh?
I had got an overnight order in the family court. They had examined everything. Judges also once orally instructed them to bring the child. 3 hearings they did not bring. They give a false
My lord.
illness certificate.
What did you write?
And later on,
What is it? Is also seeking an interim entrance is pending consultation. Then a council submits that the court below will, as the court below will pass appropriate orders in that. Now this petition has become infructuous. Next, then council appearing for the respondent submits that now an order has been passed by the court granting a overnight custody. And he submits that even before that also, he was not, he could not meet the child and the grandparents, he could not meet the child from a long time. It is submitted that both the wife, both the mother and father are staying in a very closed, in a distance of 1 kilometer. In a distance of 1 kilometer. He submits that there is a park, what is that called?
Krishna Rao Park.
May I submit?
It is in
There's a
the-
temple also nearby. The temple,
Park is much better. Why would the boy go and
no, there's a lot.
Your
of
Honor,
places.
also it is in the vicinity of Basavangudi Police Station
Krishna?
and Family Counseling Center.
Krishna Rao Park, which is very near to the place where the mother is staying. If the pending consideration of the IS before the court, an order may be passed granting visitation rights to the father. Next, in response to that, land council appearing for the mother submits that because in view of the because of the harassment of the husband, she has to leave the house and she is made to work for herself and for the child. And no maintenance is paid by him. As those issues are pending before the court, the same may be, the court below will consider it may be left to the court to consider all these issues. Next, having heard the counsels on English side, there is a material not required. The GNWC is filed,
On 20th of April 2023.
is filed in 2020, April 2023. Now, the court, as of now, the interim application seeking visitation rights, no orders are passed by the court below. Now, court below, considering that this court feels that till such an order is passed, subject to the further orders to be passed by the court in the interim application for visitation right, this court deems it appropriate to permit the father to exercise the visitation rights on a Sunday or Saturday.
Saturday, 2nd and 4th Saturdays.
Court was saying about a week. For that you have, for that it is adjourned, or it
No.
is passed over.
But my lord, even the mother has to spend time. She also gets only these weekends.
Your Honor, I'm okay on the weekdays also. Once a week, weekdays is also fine. Anyway,
No,
morning to
they-
evening, she
no,
works.
on a
During that
Sunday-
time, I will
on a
take care.
Sunday in the evening, on a Sunday, in the evening, between 4 and 7. 4 and 7, the father can exercise the visitation rights.
Let it be restricted to the father because all the members of the family come, they start overfeeding the child. In fact, he suffered diarrhea on the last birthday. They overfed the child with mango. He's just 2 years, 10 months. We understand the care and concern, but it can't be overfed.
Unfortunately, somebody's love and affection becomes a problem to the
No,
other.
it cannot be in excess that the child suffers.
Let them
Not at the
visit, let
cost
them not
that the-
feed.
Your Honors,
Let
these,
him
these,
visit.
He's also
I'm
minus.
applying
They
for the
start
respondent.
abusing me. They start abusing. They
Your
start
Honors, applying for the
abusing the
respondent.
petitioner.
Something I think is submitting online. It's.
Yes, my lords, I'm appearing for the respondents, counsel. I'm the counsel for the respondent. I apologize, I was there in the morning. My lords, these kind of statements may not be permitted because even the respondent can also make certain allegations and certain statements regarding the petitioner's behavior and other things.
Yes.
So I would
Yes.
request that such statements not be made, and that is why, Your Honors. Let the limited
area is that?
visitation rights be recorded.
Which is the area? Which is the area?
My lord?
Basavanagudi.
Huh?
Basavanagudi.
Krishna, the
Krishna
Krishna.
Rao
Krishna
Park.
Rao Park.
Basavannagudi. Basavannagudi. Next, the father shall pay an amount of rupees 10,000.
Your
Those
Honor,
are fine.
5,000 please.
No,
I'm
my
not-
lord,
I've
I-
not started working yet.
And when it comes to 5,000, how two people can live?
She went on her own terms, my lord. We did not harass her or not do anything. Even the
10,000
DV is in the evidence stage. There is no evidence that I've done anything.
Consideration of the IA by the court below. Any of the observations that are made by the court for deciding this application and taking care of the immediate necessities shall not be construed as an expression of this court, and the court shall independently decide the pending IA numbers 7 and 8.
8 expeditious.
7 and 8.
Yes.
7 and 8 shall be disposed of as expeditiously
Great.
as possible.
Grateful, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I have one last submission to make. So on my 13th birthday, you told since it is very short time, I will not be able to do anything. Come in for the upcoming hearing. Then August 15th on Independence Day, it's my child's birthday. Can I have a morning to evening visitation until then, unsupervised?
Court has
visitation?
directed the court below to expeditiously decide your
It's on
petition.
1st July.
No, that will be done.
Thank you.
Grateful.